For as long as we've gazed at the night sky, we've wondered, are we alone? This question drives our curiosity and fuels our imagination. We're explorers, always searching beyond the next horizon. For decades, we've been listening, scanning the cosmos with radio telescopes, hoping for a signal that says, you are not alone. This is SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. We've sent our own messages too, like the Voyager Golden Records, time capsules of Earth's sights and sounds, drifting through interstellar space. These probes are silent ambassadors, symbols of our hope to connect. But our search assumes others want to be found. What if the silence isn't emptiness, but a choice? What if the universe is full, but its inhabitants are deliberately staying quiet? The possibility is both fascinating and unsettling. Space is vast, and the distances are daunting. Maybe the silence is just a matter of logistics, signals lost, travel too hard. But what if it's not about technology, but psychology? Imagine a galaxy teeming with civilizations, all aware of each other, yet all keeping quiet. This is the zoo hypothesis, humanity as an exhibit, observed but untouched. Advanced aliens might watch us, choosing not to interfere, out of respect or caution. Contact could be disruptive, even dangerous for a society like ours. So, they wait, following a rule of non-interference. The silence becomes a sign of their wisdom, not their absence. We're not the masters of our world, but a small part of a much larger, older cosmic ecosystem. Perhaps they're waiting for us to mature. The universe's quiet may be intentional, a galactic policy of patience. The question is, what are they waiting for? Why might advanced civilizations choose to ghost us? Fear is a powerful motivator. They may see us as unpredictable, even dangerous. History shows contact between advanced and less advanced societies often ends badly for the latter. Aliens might follow a prime directive, avoiding contact to protect both sides. Or maybe to them, we're simply unremarkable, one of countless primitive worlds. Our science, art, and questions might seem trivial to a civilization millions of years older. They might notice us, but not bother to engage, like we ignore an anthill. Or perhaps they're so different that communication is impossible. Life elsewhere could be silicon-based, or exist as energy, or as a collective mind. Their signals might be unrecognizable to us. The silence could be a barrier of biology and physics, not just choice. Maybe they're shouting, but we lack the ears to hear. The universe's quiet may be more complex than we imagine. The idea of a non-interference policy isn't just science fiction, it's logical. Like biologists observing a tribe, advanced aliens might study us without revealing themselves. Interference could contaminate the experiment, or worse, destroy our culture. History warns us. Even well-intentioned contact can cause chaos. Think of cargo cults after World War II. Imagine that disruption on a planetary scale. A galactic prime directive could be a law among civilizations. Leave young worlds alone until they're ready. Ready might mean technological or social maturity, ending war, uniting as a species. The responsibility is ours. To join the galactic club, we must prove we're worthy. The silence is a challenge, not a rejection. It's a message. Solve your problems, grow up, and then we'll talk. The empty sky may be full of patient observers, waiting for us to evolve. The next step is ours to take. Are we ready to answer the call? The zoo hypothesis suggests we're not just observed, we're protected. Earth could be a cosmic nature reserve, off limits to interference. Aliens might see our planet as a treasure, preserving our unique experiment. They could use technology to keep us isolated or camouflage us from outsiders. We'd be unaware, seeing only emptiness while living in a managed sanctuary. This idea neatly answers the Fermi paradox. We don't see them because they don't want to be seen. Like conservationists, they value our natural development. To them, preserving humanity might be a moral duty. History warns us about first contact. When the Spanish met the Aztecs, disease and technology devastated the indigenous population. This pattern repeats. The more advanced culture often overwhelms the other, even unintentionally. Aliens would see this in our history and understand the risks. Contact could be catastrophic for us, or for them. Our ideas, aggression, or digital culture could be a virus to a stable civilization. They might quarantine us, valuing their peace over risky contact. Our own past is a cautionary tale. Contact can be hazardous. The wisest course for them may be to watch and wait. Silence in this light is an act of self-preservation. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked, "Where is everybody?" With billions of stars and likely countless planets, life should be common. If even a few civilizations became advanced, their presence should be obvious. Yet we see nothing, no starships, no signals. This is the Fermi paradox. The ghosting hypothesis offers an answer. They're hiding, observing a galactic silence. Maybe they're afraid or following a non-interference rule. The universe could be a dark forest, where survival means staying quiet. Broadcasting our existence might be naive or dangerous. The silence may be a sign of fear, not emptiness. Other civilizations could be quiet because they know the risks. The universe is a dangerous place. Survival depends on staying hidden. Our hopeful messages might be more reckless than we realize. Whether aliens are ghosting us or not, the silence is a lesson. It forces us to see ourselves from a cosmic perspective. We've achieved much, split the atom, walked on the moon, but we're still divided and destructive. The silence should inspire humility. We're a young species, living on a tiny speck in a vast galaxy. The cosmic perspective unites us. From space, there are no borders, only one fragile planet. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence reminds us we're all in this together. Our challenges, climate change, pandemics, war, require global solutions. The silence tells us to rely on ourselves and each other. Pondering alien avoidance is really self-reflection. Are we a species others would want to meet? Are we good neighbors? The silence is not an indictment, but an opportunity to imagine a better future. One day we might be ready for a cosmic conversation. If we want to change our cosmic status, it's not about bigger telescopes. It's about changing ourselves. First, we must ensure our survival. Protect our planet, dismantle weapons, and move beyond fossil fuels. We need unity. As long as we're divided, we'll seem immature to any observer. A united, peaceful planet signals we're ready for the next step. We must cultivate curiosity, empathy, and wisdom, exploring space as humble students, not conquerors. Science, education, and long-term thinking matter more than technology alone. Preparing for contact is about becoming our best selves. Even if aliens never arrive, this journey improves our world. If we do receive a message, we'll be ready to answer, not as a frightened, divided species, but as a confident member of the cosmic community. That's how you write an invitation to the stars.